Hi everyone. Um, I needed to film another video because I just want to be a YouTuber now. So here's like what I do every day for my makeup. I don't actually do it every day though, is the problem. But if I did do it every day, get out of my face. Okay. If I did do it every day, then that would be ideal. So I do my eyeliner first, and I use the e.l.f. one. And I can't talk while I do it, so y'all are just gonna have to watch me, but it's gonna be like in fast motion. So watch and learn. That looks bad. Hold up. And then I have to go in with a used makeup wipe and kind of clean it up a little. And then go back in and clean it up more. And that's good enough. So let me do the other eye too. They don't look the same. I heard a tip actually that you're supposed to do the eye that you're less comfortable with first, but I just kind of forgot to do that. But whatever. Okay, that's good enough. Next, I don't want to put primer on. It's fine though, because I don't wear a foundation. But sometimes I just feel the need to wear primer. I'm gonna do some blush. This I got in my Ipsy bag like last year. It's the Ciate London Matchmaker blush. And it's so good. And I hope it never runs out. And honestly, I don't think it's running out anytime soon. So yeah. I really want to try Milani blushes because I heard those are really good. And I love me some blush. I'm gonna put on a lot of blush today, I decided. More on this side. Okay, now I'm gonna get my soap ready for my eyebrows, but I'm not gonna, I have to let the water sit on the soap. I find that works better to create the paste. So I'm gonna let that sit for a second, and I'm gonna do my freckles. I shared this in the last video about how I do them. So I take a little brush like this, and I wet it, hold on, with a spray bottle, and then I just go in with brown eyeshadow and just go crazy. Like you dot it on your face, and then you take your finger and you blend it out. So I'm dropping out of school. I don't want to say dropping out though. I'm going on medical leave forever. And I'm gonna go to makeup school. And you're probably like, why would you go to makeup school? You're not even that good. I feel like I'm gonna do like a better look on this channel, just to try to prove myself. I'm gonna do a cut crease and shit, and then maybe y'all will see hey, she's okay, maybe she can go to makeup school. Maybe. Okay, now for brows. But yeah, so that would endure? I don't even think that's the right word. That would mean that I have to go back home to Connecticut and stay there for a little while. And then I would commute to New York so I could go to MUD, Makeup Designery? I think that's how you say it, Makeup Designery. Oh, I got soap up there. So that's actually kind of exciting, but also kind of sucks because I just moved. And I moved in with my boyfriend, and now I'm going back home. I don't know what I'm doing with my life, but it's fine. But yeah, and then my boyfriend is gonna work in Georgia. He does trade work, but not on a trade floor like Wall Street. I mean trade work where you go to the kind of trade work you go to trade school for. But I forget exactly what it is he's gonna be doing, even though he just told me. It's just a little bit confusing. I left my hair in from yesterday. I just left it. Messy chic. What do I do next? Highlighter. I use my BH Cosmetics Duo Light Highlight 9-color palette, and I take the shade Top Secret, which is just a white highlighter. But yeah, I think after makeup school will take about 4 months, which is pretty nice. And then hopefully after that, I can find work somewhere. And then me and my boyfriend will move back in together. But yeah, it kind of sucks, like, getting to live with someone that you love, and then being like, bye, see you later. So yeah, that definitely sucks, but whatever, it has to be done. Next, I'm doing mascara. Kind of rushing through this. My last video was, oh, I got washed out for a second. My last video was very, very long. And then after I'm done, I'll probably show you all my outfit too. I want to make an outfit video, but I want to do it when I get home because I want to like do it outside and like show you all my outfits, because there's nowhere really good in my apartment where the lighting is good enough to like make a good, like, so you could, I just want y'all to see the outfits really good in natural lighting. And I could go outside here, but I live in an apartment complex, so I don't want everyone that lives here to like see me go outside in 10 different outfits and record myself. Like, I don't know, I just don't want that. So yeah, once I come back home, which will be soon, I will make an outfit video because I'm just so stylish. But yeah, I feel like over quarantine, okay, I'm gonna be real with y'all, I've always had good style. Or I've always liked my style. I'm never basic. Which is fine if you are basic. It's literally that. Whatever. I want more blush. But yeah, I think I've always had like a cool style. Hello, this is me from the future. I need to shut up. Like, watching that actually made me want to die inside. I'm so sorry. I sound so conceited. And I just need to share that with the world. I like to do my blush like higher up. I think a lot of people have started doing that because it kind of gives you like a facelift instead of doing it right. Okay, so I'm extremely pale. Okay, I'm extremely pale, so whenever I like scratch myself, it leaves a mark. So there's nothing wrong here. I scratched myself and left a mark. That's what happened. Then I'm just gonna do Vaseline. I took my eyelashes off last night in the living room, and I don't feel like going to get them. So this is what it's gonna be. And then you take your bangs out. Okay, here's my everyday look if I were to do it every day. And now I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. Okay, here's the outfit. I know I was just like, yeah, I'm like totally not basic. And then I put something basic on. But that's fine. These pants are thrifted. This is from AliExpress, this is thrifted. And these are from Shein, like, oh wait, I need to back up, I can't see my head. These are from Shein like 2 years ago. I don't really shop there much anymore. But yeah, okay, that's the fit. That's the video. Let me know, look at all the cans in the back. Let me know what other kind of videos y'all want to see, because you know I want to be a YouTuber now. Yeah, okay, that's it. Goodbye. Have a great day.